Alright, here's the breakup of how I built this gas fire pit. This is the frame that I built. It's made of MS pipe. There's a small ring that I've put at the bottom that is to hold the gas cylinder. The dimensions are 28 inches long, 18 inches wide, and I've kept the height at about 18 inches. On the right hand side, as you can see, there are two pipes that I've welded. This is to put a plate where I'm going to fix a gas regulator. I'm going to show you that towards the as we progress through the video. So that's the overall look. Next, I sent this frame to do the wicker, just to give it a little aesthetic look, and this was done in Gurgaon. That's the overall look that's coming up. Alright, here I've put a HDMR top on top of it, and there's a niche that I've cut in the center so that I can put a tray around that where the burner assembly is going to be. I've bolted this top to the frame so that if we are moving this trolley around, the top doesn't come off, and that's the plate that goes on the right hand side where the burner assembly is going to come in. The front door is removable, and there's the burner with the tray mounted onto the tabletop. Now here's a little shot of the fabrication of the tray and the burner assembly. This was done at a friend of mine's workshop who has a factory in Ghaziabad. He helped me to do the brazing and the welding of the adjustment knob, which I'm going to show you in a while, to adjust the oxygen flow in the gas assembly line. Next, this is how we are going to put the gas cylinder. This is the 4 kg gas tank which is fitted with some flexible pipes. This is the gas regulator knob that I was talking about, that was done in the lathe of one of my friend's workshop. This knob can be turned so that the air, or primarily oxygen from the air, can be mixed along with the gas. I generally keep it right at the bottom so that there is not too much of oxygen going through. This is also going to define the color of the flame. If in case you want a blue flame, then you need to turn this knob slightly higher. Now I use it for the purpose of ambience also, so I keep 60-40. 60% is blue and 40% is yellow. Yellow is not a good idea. It's actually unburnt gas. You may even feel the smell of the gas if the oxygen, and there's a direction of this control knob that you can see. The gas has to flow from the tank to the gas assembly unit. Now one more thing that I did, originally I had 2 mm holes, 6 on each side of the burner tube, and those were earlier 2 mm diameter. This I have changed last evening to 2.5 mm, and this gives me a throw of almost around 12 to 15 centimeters easy. I can go as high as probably 20 centimeters also. Now I don't know how to calculate the BTUs, but this balcony of mine is about 12 by 14. It's an open area, and yesterday while the ambient temperature was around 6 degrees Celsius, the balcony was nice and cozy. And in terms of the gas consumption, it takes about 100 grams of gas per hour. So that's hardly anything. So there you have it. Enjoy.